Right, this is an overview of the Zanussi built-in aquacycle ZTI 823 built-in washing machine. You can tell it's it's a new album, but it's fairly new actually, because it's got a classic Zanussi drum, and I'll just give it a spin. This drum it's the same kind of drum as what my ZTI F1421W had, but it's a slightly smaller drum, but it looks exactly the same. Paddles are loose, of course, like in any Zanussi drum. The programs on it, I don't really know, but I know some of them, you've got like synthetics 40 with pre-wash or without pre-wash. There's fast spin, there's slow spin, there's like cottons and delicates and that. Like program F is fast spin, which and this I think the thing that's been speed on this is only 1,000 RPM, probably a little bit slower than that. Detergent drawer. You've got your pre-wash, main wash, fabric softener. You've got the power button, the spin, slow down button, and the rinse hold. Temperature knob. You've got 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, and 40. That's what it was on. And got the door lock. It's 2-minute door lock, same as what my ZTI F1421. You've got the fluff filter down there. And yeah, it's just, I can't believe that like a model like this has a newer Zanussi drum to it. Sadly, there's no service cycle on this because obviously it's got the analog timer on it. But you know, and I love Zanussi, my favourite. I wish I could turn it on with the door open because my mum and dad aren't in, but I can do, but because I've got some dirty clothes here. But it's not my washing machine, and yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it on a fast spin, which is program F, just to demonstrate. And turn it on. Door locked. Pump chugs on this. All it does is like bursts. I wonder what would happen if I turn the knob. Would it ramp up? Should I try? Oh, that's off. Oh, that's off. Well, I think that's going to conclude the video there, but thank you guys so much for watching, and hit that like button, and bye.